Hello and welcome back to my channel, All About Toya. Today I'm going to be reviewing this jewelry display slash ring tray, and I actually purchased this from Amazon. I'm going to put a lot of jewelry on this display case, and a lot of the jewelry I got from my haul, which is the Forever 21 slash Aliexpress jewelry haul. So I'm gonna have the link for that below. So if you like any of the jewelry you see me placing on this, you can go ahead and get that. I'm not an affiliate. I purchased this with my own money. So here we go. So I purchased this from Amazon, like I stated before. It is the Modern Black Metal 3-tier tabletop bracelet and necklace jewelry organizer display tree rack with ring tray. Now this particular jewelry display is 16 inches tall, so it is very tall, you guys. You have to have space to put this somewhere. It is 4.25 inches wide and 12 inches long, and it holds a significant amount of jewelry. I paid around $22 for this. I'm going to post a picture so that you can see exactly how much I paid for it. I'm going to provide the link down below to this particular item. And again, like I stated before, I'm not an affiliate. I do not get a commission. If you purchase this, I don't have a coupon code or anything like that. This everything I purchased with my own money, including the jewelry that you see me placing on the display. So this is where I'm storing it, on one of my shelves, just so you guys can see. Hopefully it's not too dark. Super cute. It's hecka tall, just a FYI. It is super tall. And that's so your necklaces can hang. It's super cute.